In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redeem GoFar rewards with Wells Fargo. Maybe you've accumulated a generous amount of points and now you're wondering how to make the most of them. Never fear, because in just a few steps, you'll be redeeming those points in no time. Let's dive right in. First, what you'll want to do is log into your Wells Fargo online account. You can do this from your desktop or through the mobile app, whichever you find more convenient. Once logged in, you'll need to navigate to the section that handles your credit card rewards. This might be labeled as rewards or directly as GoFar rewards. It's usually pretty easy to spot, but if you're having trouble, a quick search in the application will point you in the right direction. Once you're in the right place, the next thing to do is view your points balance and the various redemption options available to you. It's always a good idea to keep an eye on how many points you've accumulated so you know what's feasible for redemption. Now, you get to the fun part, choosing how you'd like to redeem those points. Wells Fargo provides several popular options. You can convert points into cashback or use them as a statement credit, effectively reducing your credit card balance or even depositing the equivalent amount into your Wells Fargo account. If you'd prefer, there's also the option to redeem your points for gift cards or even for merchandise. Are you planning a vacation or a business trip? Use those points for travel-related rewards like flights, hotel stays, or rental cars through the rewards portal. And if your card allows, you might even be able to transfer points to certain airline or hotel loyalty programs. After you've decided on your redemption method, it's time to select the amount of points you want to use. Typically, Wells Fargo points have a value of about 1 cent each, so it's relatively straightforward to calculate the equivalent in dollars. Once you've entered the amount, confirm your selection. Now you're ready to submit your redemption. If you opted for a statement credit or direct deposit, be aware that it might take about 2 to 3 business days for these to reflect in your account. For gift cards or travel bookings, the confirmation process might vary, but you should receive the necessary details upon completing your redemption. Finally, you'll want to verify that everything has been applied correctly. Check your Wells Fargo account to confirm that your credit or deposit has been processed, or examine any confirmation you received for gift cards or travel bookings to ensure there are no inaccuracies. And that's it! Now you know how to redeem those GoFar rewards efficiently and are ready to enjoy the fruits of your points. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care.